We are going to discuss about what are the rules to be followed for hashing. What is hashing? Hashing in data structure is a well-known technique to search any particular element among several elements. It minimizes the number of comparisons while performing the search. Hashing is a technique or process of mapping keys values into the hash table by using hash function. It is also known as message digest function. It is a technique that uniquely identifies a specific item from a collection of similar items. It uses hash tables to store data in an array format. Each value in the array has assigned a unique index number. Hash tables uses a technique to generate these unique index numbers for each value stored in an array format. This technique is called hash techniques. Hashing is a technique to convert a range of key values into a range of indexes of an array. Let a hash function h of x map the value x at the index x mod 10 in an array. For example, if the list of values is 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, it will be stored at positions 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the array or hash table respectively. Hashing in a data structure is a two-step process. The hash function converts the item into a small integer or hash value. This integer is used as an index to store the original data. It stores the data in a hash table. You can use a hash key to get data quickly. Examples of hashing in data structure. The following are real-life examples of hashing in data structure. In schools, the teacher assigns a unique roll number to each student. Later, the teacher uses that roll number to retrieve information about that student. A library has an infinite number of books. The librarian assigns a unique number to each book. This unique number helps in identifying the position of books on the bookshelf. Now we are going to discuss about hash table. Hash table is one of the most important data structure that uses a special function known as hash function that maps a given value with a key to access the element faster. A hash table is a data structure that stores some information, and the information has basically two main components, that is key and value. The hash table can be implemented with the help of an associative array. The efficiency of mapping depends upon the efficiency of hash function used for mapping. For example, suppose the key value is John and the value is the phone number. So, when we pass the key value in the hash function shown as below, hash of key equal to index. When we pass the key in the hash function, then it gives the index. Hash of John equal to 3. The above example adds the John at the index 3. Here we can see the formal definition of hashing. In a hash table, an element with the key k is stored at index h of k and not k. It means a hash function h is used to calculate the index at which the element with the key k will be stored. This process of mapping the key to appropriate location in the hash table is called hashing. This is the basic concept of hashing. In open hashing, one of the methods used to resolve the collision is known as chaining method. Hash function. The hash function in a data structure maps arbitrary size of data to fixed sized data. It returns the following values: a small integer value, hash codes, and hash sums. The hash function must satisfy the following requirements. A good hash function is easy to compute. A good hash function never gets stuck in clustering and distributes keys evenly across the hash table. A good hash function avoids collision when two elements or items get assigned to the same hash value. There are three ways of calculating the hash function: division method, folding method, and mid-square method.